welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and I'm excited about this one. First of all, new clothes, yay. But second of all, let me know if you guys can tell. I'm using some new lighting. I have a new lighting system and I'm trying it out. So let me know what you guys think. I am using the Mountdog lighting system. It's some soft boxes along with my ring lights just to bring around some, you know, different lighting and brighten things up a little bit. Let me know what you guys think about it. I will say first off that I love the soft boxes. I use them in my studio as well. You know, I'm a makeup artist, so I use them in my studio as well when I'm doing clients. I'll insert pictures so that you can see everything, but I love them. They're super affordable, great way to get a lighting system at a cheaper rate. And I do believe they are available on Amazon, and you know we stan Amazon on this channel, right? So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. Make sure you're paying attention to the lighting and tell me what you think. So far, it's a 5-star for me. I am obsessed with it. I love the dynamic. I think that it balances everything out and I don't look as washed out on camera. So let me know what you guys think. I'll have everything linked down below if you're interested in the lights. And if you want to see like my setup and stuff, let me know. It's not super professional, but it's, you know, it works for me. I think, you know, I'm always growing and evolving and tweaking it. But for now, this is what's working. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into my Stitch Fix unboxing. I think this is box like number 9. At this point, I don't even know. I get one every month and sometimes I get a bonus box. So I've kind of lost count. When we get into the box, it'll let us know what number we're on. But real quick too, I also wanted to touch on this hair. Y'all, I have never worn a unit so much in my life. Like non-stop. Since I got this hair, I've been wearing it. I've received so many compliments. It's been unreal, from family, from coworkers. Everyone has just loved it and they think it's my hair. They think it's natural. Obviously, I always tell people it's not my hair, but the fact that they think that speaks volumes to this unit. This is my half wig from Nadula that I just filmed a video on recently. And when I say I've been wearing it nonstop, she's been wearing it out. Okay, I'm obsessed. I'll have everything linked down below if you're interested. But yeah, you need this in your life. Here today, I have it up. On my original video, I did it down. I'll do another video just to show you guys the different possibilities because I have fallen in love with this unit and but anyway, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, this Stitch Fix unboxing. So here's my box, y'all. Listen. It's open, but I can't blame the people this time. This is all Joe Wheat's doing, okay? So we both received Stitch Fixes, and he thought this was his box. Although the men's box looks different than this box, so I don't know how he thought that, but he thought that. So he opened it, and then when he looked in it, he was like, oh, that's not mine. So it's open. I haven't looked in it yet, though, so it's still gonna be an unboxing. Like, I don't know what's in here, but it's open. So this is my box. Look at how big it is. I don't think I've ever received a box this big for my Stitch Fix, so I'm excited to see what's in here. It's fall winter too though, so there may be some like big pieces in there. You guys know the deal with Stitch Fix. I'm unaffiliated, but it's a thing that it's a monthly like subscription. It's not really monthly because it's not required. Like you can skip the month or whatever, or you can do like every other month or whatever. You have options on that, but it is a styling service where they send you options. I always put the details about Stitch Fix down below, and I'll have a referral link for you guys too. It's not my referral link, but again, I'm not affiliated. I'm just sharing different links, you know. I think this link that I'll put down, I'll probably put my husband's link down below for y'all. You'll get a credit and so will he, so that'll help him out too. But anyway, you know, you get all these things, your return shipping envelope, your details about the things in your box. So here's one stack of clothes. Here's another stack. And then it looks like I got some shoes too. So there's that. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what we got. I'm gonna start with the shoes because this is the last thing in my hands and I really get excited about shoes, y'all. So we gonna start. Baby. Ooh wee. Look at these. So you guys know animal prints are in real heavy right now. I really feel like they never really go out of style. They're a neutral, they're a staple. You can never go wrong with an animal print. And I love this little heel. I have some friends who talk bad about a kitten heel, but I think there's some style about it. You know, you don't always have to wear a stiletto to look stylish, and I think that this is doing that perfectly. This is a Isaac Mizrahi Highline United. That is, he's pretty pricey, so. And I'm pretty sure, oh, so these are a 9.5, and these are in the style Kelsey. I love the color on this, very neutral toned. It'll go with so many things, and I have been on the hunt actually for a pair of snakeskin boots. I don't own any. I'm pretty sure these are genuine leather, so I'm not even gonna go too much into detail with that. We'll try them on here later in a second. So next thing is right here. Ooh. This is a coat, it looks like. Kind of is giving like wool vibes. I don't know if it is wool, but it seems like it's wool. It has a belt on it, which I love. Can y'all see it? Ooh, I love this color. This is pretty. This is a Bagatelle collection. This is in a size 2X, and I really like this. You know, we're fall winter, so we're getting into those pieces. These are gonna pair very well together. Love it. Already love it. Let's see what else. Let's see what we got here. This looks like a cardigan, like a hunter green over sweater or whatever. This is in a size 2X. The brand is Love Ellie. Really cute. I like this color a lot. My best friend Erica's favorite color is green. Plug for Erica, by the way. She has a YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. Make sure you go and subscribe. Check her and her family out. They're doing big things, and they are hilarious. So you want to check them out. But anyway, her favorite color is green. So this reminds me of her. And I love the material. This is soft. It's slinky. This is going to be cool to just throw on. I get really cold at my job, in my office. So that's going to be something that I would probably love to take to work with me, just to keep warm when it's a little chilly. Oh, okay. Next we have a dress. This is 9 Britain is the brand. This is a size 2X. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can really see the details off, but I don't know if this is like a 3/4 or if this is a full sleeve. You can never go wrong with a little black dress. So, oh, hold on. It looks like it's a little bit asymmetrical or something. I don't know how short this is going to be on me, but I'm excited to try that on. The material doesn't feel like the best of quality. It's kind of like thin, and it's a little like cheap feeling to me, but that's just first impressions. We'll try it on and see what we think. And then last but not least, it looks like we've got a little sweater. Is this navy blue or black? I think it's navy blue. Holding it up to this dress, I think it's navy blue. With white stripes, gives you a nautical vibe. Oop, and whoop. There we have it, y'all. I live for a good, okay, it's the details for me. It's always the details for me. So I live, something this simple is gonna cause me to keep this sweater, because that is giving me life. And the thing I love about this box is that I can literally wear every piece that is in here with those boots. So I'm really digging that. And I really like the colors in this. This is a size 2X. This is from the brand Markets and Spruce. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get trying on things. These are really cute. I'm really excited. Let's see what we got. We might have a 5 out of 5. I don't know. Let's see. We might have a 5 out of 5. Okay guys, and here's the jacket. I love it. I don't know if you can see exactly like how long it is, but it comes like just above my knee. I don't really have anything like this in my collection. I have something similar that I got from Dress Lily. I'll link that video up here, but it has leather inserts, black and leather inserts, which I love, but it gives a different feel, it gives a more edgy vibe. This right here is a more classic look, and I'm here for it. I just have on like a tank top and my jeans still and those boots, and this will be a look. This will be a go out on the town type of look. Really cute, simple, basic. This is very warm. It is lined, so that's nice. Very nice quality. It feels like a nice jacket. Still don't know what the material is. I don't think that it's wool. I don't, but I think that it's supposed to give that vibe. Yeah. It kind of reminds me of an upscale felt type, but this is what it looks like. That feels really, really nice on. It's very warm, so if you're, you know, it'll definitely keep you warm for sure. I love the tie accent. It's a little, I feel like it can lean a little big, but the tie helps to accentuate, you know, your waistline, so it brings you back in so you don't look too boxy. I really like that. I like it. What do you guys think? Okay, the next piece is just this pullover cardigan type sweater. Again, I love the color of it. I love the way this feels though. It's not like too much to write home about because it's a pretty basic piece, but it feels really nice on. And I don't know if you can see it, but there are some details, like chevron type details in it. It fits really nicely. It's nice and cozy. Again, nothing too fancy, but it's one of those essential pieces for this time of year when, if you're like me and you work in an office that's cold, even in the fall, you know, it's spring and summer too, this would be a great transitioning piece to all those places because you could just throw this on if you're chilly and it'll help to keep you warm. I actually like this a lot, and I love that it has the pockets in the front too. And it's a very nice fit. Tell me what you think. Okay, so first of all, if you've been here for any amount of time, you already know navy blue is one of my favorite colors to wear, hands down. So there are already points because this is a navy blue and white sweater. So I love that. It is very soft. It fits the body very well. I love how it fits. But then to have that accent, baby, there's no question in my mind I'm keeping this piece because that is life. And more abundantly, like more abundantly. And with that, it ties in my scarf, like, little things like this allow you to do so much more with the outfit than what you would have originally thought, just because it gives you another color to play with and play up on. So I love that. I love the way this fits. It's right here. This is where it stops. So it fits me very, very nicely. I love it. I love this for sure. I'm definitely keeping this one. I'm not even gonna hold you. She keeping this. Tell me what you guys think about it. It's the elbow pad for me. Like, it's the elbow patch. Like, really, that's what threw it over the top. Without it, it's a basic sweater, which is great to have. It's an essential. But honey, that's it. Okay, and here's the black dress. It is long sleeve. It's like right at my, like, it's the perfect length. I would definitely wear shapewear with it. I don't have any on right now, but I would to kind of pull this in. I do like it. It has like a asymmetrical situation at the bottom, where it's kind of like a faux wrap situation. So it wraps. I don't know, it's kind of weird because the bottom part wraps on this side down and then the top part goes this way. So it's like crisscrossing kind of. I think it fits nice. The material feels a little, again, still feels a little thin to me. I would want it to be a little thicker material, but I like it. I think it fits okay. It's a basic black dress, and I think that you should always have a basic black dress in your arsenal. You guys know this is always a problem area for me, but it's very easy to, with this one, because it drapes the way it does, it's very easy to camouflage it. It's a little too big there. You can pin it and no one would ever be the wiser about it being too big. So I do appreciate that about this dress. I do, again, it's a basic black piece, but because the bottom gives you a little bit of something extra, it gives you a little more sass, so it's not so basic. I really do like it. I wish you could see. Let me see if I can. Okay, so here you can see the asymmetrical situation I was talking about. It's really, really cute. It's kind of like a faux wrap situation. So you've got this side under here and then this side, which makes that little V area. It's a good length. It's not too short. This will be perfect for a date night. I like it. Again, I would definitely wear shapewear. I don't have any on right now, but I would definitely wear shapewear. So yeah, I like it. Okay, and here are the boots, you guys. I actually do like them. Like I said, I like that the heel is so low profile, and I really do like the ankle, how low they are on the ankle. I might go down a size to a 9 because I feel like they're a little loose, but I might not, because it is winter, fall, and I might want to put like some thicker socks on with these if I'm wearing it with just some jeans. So I may just keep the 9.5 if I decide to keep these. But I love them. I have been looking for some snakeskin, snake print booties type situation. I have pumps, but I needed some booties, so I do appreciate these. I really like them, and the quality is nice. You guys tell me what you think. All right, guys, now it's time to recap and see what my stylist had to say and see how much these pieces are gonna cost me if I decide to keep them all. So first we'll go over the pricing. The herringbone knit cardigan, which is the green one, is $48. The knit black dress is $68. The jacket coat is $128. The patchwork sweater, the sweater with the patches on the elbow, is $48. And the booties are $109. So that is the pricing. Everything together is $401. The total 25% discount will be $100.25. So my total would be $375. I mean, $300.75. So I think that's pretty reasonable for the some of the things that I like in here. Let's just see what we're working with as far as what the stylist said. Of course, y'all know I'll talk it over with my husband, see what he thinks about everything, and that'll determine ultimately what I do keep. But I do like everything. This could potentially be a 5 out of 5 box for sure. So my stylist, it looks like it's Mary again, and it says this is my fix number. It doesn't say. Hold on. Fix number 10. So yeah, okay, I was off one. Hi Brandie, happy fix day. I'm thrilled to be your styling. I'm thrilled to be styling your 10th fix, but I wanted to start things off with letting you know how sorry I am that your last fix was not up to your expectations. I love them. I want to ensure that this fix turns things around and is perfect for the rest of the season. Let's start things off with the coat. What do you think of the style? I love the style. It would have been real dope if it was double-breasted. That would have took it over the top. This is a classic piece that is nice for work or goes easily with a casual look. I definitely agree. The 9 Britain dress would pair great with the jacket. Yes, it would. And looks so polished for an evening out, even with the booties, I think. Add a statement necklace and the Isaac Mizrahi booties and let me know what you think. Have you noticed the shop feature in your app yet? You saying you can snag trending looks and complement the pieces you already have. I definitely have noticed it. I'm on the app almost every other day, you know, selecting things that I like and that I don't like so that they can get a good idea of what my personal style is. And I think that that has actually been helping to get some of the pieces that I love, because I'm almost positive that I saw that blue and white sweater in one of those things that I've done before. So overall, I love everything. I'm happy with everything. Everything is a perfect fit for my style. Now it's just a matter of getting with my husband to see which pieces I'm going to keep, but I definitely love everything, and there's a potential 5 out of 5 box. You guys be sure and let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Again, I will link everything I mentioned in this video, my lighting, my hair, my best friend's channel, all of that will be down in the description box below for you guys, as well as my husband's referral link for Stitch Fix if you're interested in trying it. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure you're loving on each other. Please stay safe. Please make sure you're washing your hands, social distancing, wearing your masks if you can, and please continue to pray for me and my family, and I'll pray for you and yours. That's it. I love you guys so much. Bye.